Lesson time! Hi again everyone, welcome to lesson 4. Yes, we reached lesson 4, and in this lesson 4 we are going to be looking at how to translate possessive adjectives into Jamaican Patois. There are 3 things that you will need to note in the translation of the possessive adjectives to Jamaican Patois. First thing, its translation is pretty much similar to the translation for possessive pronouns. That is, we often use the word fi before the translation of the object and subject pronouns. Second thing to note, we never normally use the word own after the possessive adjectives as we do with possessive pronouns. The third thing to note is that sometimes we actually do not use fi in the translation of the possessive adjectives. We drop it off and we only use a corresponding translation for the object and the subject pronoun. It sounds confusing, right? Have no fear. When we get into it, you will understand better. So let's start. Fi me, me. Fi me, me. She a me teacher. She a fi me teacher. Fi you, you. Fi you, you. Where you book there? Where fi you book there? Fi him, fi him.
Theme.
Him. Him cell phone a ring. Fi him cell phone a ring. Fi him cell phone a ring. Fi her. Fi her. 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 Fi her report is great. Her report is great. Fi it. Fi it. Fi logo cute. Fi we. Our. How. Fi we data smart. Our street block. Plural form of the word your. Fi uno or uno. Fi uno uniform blue. Uno uniform blue. Fi them. Them. Fi them. Them. Them house new.
Alright guys, give this a try. Translate these sentences into Jamaican Patois using what you know.